Hey lovelies, my name is Noria and welcome back to my channel. I'm finally giving you an update. You know that challenge I started back in the beginning of the year, and then you just never got an update, and then COVID and then all the other things. Well, from then until now, I've had like a few of you, luckily not a lot of y'all came after me, but a few of you did ask, you know, what's the update? How did that go? And I thought my silence was enough, but apparently not. A little recap for that. I did good for like the first 3 weeks on nutrition, working out, everything. By week 4, I stopped meal prepping or meal planning, and I just went downhill from there. I started getting really busy, and instead of going to the boxing studio 3 times a week, I was going like once. So basically I started good and I ended right back where I started. So numbers wise, I'm not gonna go through all of them, but I lost 0.8 pounds, which I don't really care about that much. Body fat percentage, I started at 26.8 and ended at 25.8. So, I mean, when I know I could have done better, I could have done so much better, but that's just kind of how that one went. And then I realized a couple things as I was doing the challenge. One, aside from the group there, I didn't really talk to anyone. I didn't really, aside from that one video I gave you guys, I didn't really try to completely hold myself accountable, and I know that counted for a lot of it. So I'm on another challenge right now. Hear me out. I'm actually going to finish this one. Couple things. One of the studios I work at, we're doing a 6-week nutrition fitness challenge, and because I work there, I have a lot more eyes on me, and everyone knows that I'm doing it, so I can't like skirt around it without being like, oh no, I just totally didn't try. So that, I think, is going to be a real determining factor for me this time, because so many people do know that I'm doing it. So many people actually see and interact with that it's going to drive me to actually do it. Plus, a lot of them are doing it with me too, so we can struggle and motivate each other accordingly. So yeah, that actually just started today. I don't know when this video is going up, but October 5th is when this started. I'm actually juicing today, so I'm still on my first juice. I have another one in like an hour and a half. I'm also doing like a separate video for that because I am trying out a different type of juicing, or a different brand of juicing. So I'll have that video out later this week so you guys can go on that journey with me. A couple things I'm going to do to try to make this one more successful. Weekly updates on you guys. So unlike the I Love Kickboxing one, I met with the person like once, beginning, middle, end, and even then in the middle it was just, am I on the right track? End was just the numbers. Before was just, here's the plan. That. Now I actually have a nutritionist that I meet with weekly, so she's gonna see my food log weekly. Which means, one, I actually have to keep a food log, and 2, I'm gonna be called out if I don't eat and do what I'm supposed to do. So I'm actually looking forward to that, because I know this is definitely the kick in the butt that I need. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys where I'm, like, what I'm looking at before. So my before picture. My only goals for this challenge is to lose like an inch or 2 around my waist. That's all I really care about. If the body fat percentage, I mean the body fat percentage should go down because I'm working on lean muscle, but if that goes down, that's my like secondary goal. But I'm like, inches around the waist, that's all I want right now. So these are my current measurements as of October 3rd using their scale, and I'm just going to give the numbers for that one because I do know what they measure. What I measure at home is a little different, because at home I can be practically naked, so I can get my measurements without my shirt, but I'm gonna let them do it, use those numbers, and I'll keep you guys updated on where I'm at there. That's pretty much it. I did okay the first 3 weeks in the last one, and then I kind of fell off. This one I'm hoping, because one, I'm committing to giving you guys updates every week on like after I meet with my nutritionist, and then just kind of bring you through it. I'm also going to be using Instagram, like I already posted today, like my juicing and my workout, and I'm just going to try to do that as consistently as I can to keep more eyes on it, to keep me accountable, because I do know my friends, we talk more on Instagram than we do like in person, so they will call me out and be like, hey, I didn't see you post, what's going on? So I'm hoping that helps out a lot more. Let me know if you're on any other challenges. I know one person did reach out and it's like she just started the kickboxing one. How's that going, by the way? I did find that by week 3, I think it was just too much on my body to do kickboxing that often, especially when I'm nursing injuries. So I don't know if you guys know, but I have like an old track injury on my foot, and just kind of what we were doing was just exasperating that. So I think that was another reason why I kind of tapered off on what I was doing, because I'm doing Beyond and Tone It Up, their TIU for You challenge. I have options, so I can do low impact, high impact, yoga, all that jazz. So I have options to nurse my body breaking down. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comments if you guys are doing your own challenge. Definitely follow me, hit me up on Instagram. I would love to talk to you guys, motivate you. You can motivate me, all that jazz. Don't forget to check out the videos accompanying this to kind of give you a background and or update on that juicing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.